Hello there, and welcome to my final project presentation for CS50P. Today, I'll be talking about my project, which is Encrypted Password Manager and Generator. My name is Sagnik Ghosh, and I'm presenting from Kolkata, India. So, let's get started. In today's presentation, I'll cover a few key areas, which is a project overview, followed by the features of this tool, and then the key components, and followed by finally the demo of this project. So I hope you find this presentation informative and engaging. Let's dive into the project overview now. So what exactly is this project about? It's an encrypted password manager and generator, which is a tool that securely stores and manages passwords. It allows users to generate strong, random passwords and retrieve them easily when needed. Now, why did I create this? Managing multiple online passwords securely is a big challenge. Many people use weak or reuse passwords, which increases security risks. This project aims to provide strong encrypted passwords and make management simpler. And how does it work exactly? The tool uses Fernet encryption to securely store passwords. It has a user-friendly command line interface for adding, viewing, and generating passwords. With a master password, ensuring only authorized access is allowed. Let's move on to the features now. Let's talk about the features of this tool. Firstly, encryption. It uses Fernet and symmetric encryption for secure password storage. Secondly, the password generation. It generates strong random passwords with customizable options such as inclusion of numbers and special characters as well. Finally, the user interaction. The command line interface is simple and intuitive, providing options to add, view, and generate passwords. These features together make the tool both secure and easy to use. Now, let's discuss the key components of the project. We use several libraries such as Cryptography for encryption and decryption, and also the rich library for enhanced console outputs and standard libraries such as OS, random, string, and datetime. The encryption mechanism is based on Fernet encryption, as I said before. So let's now move on to the project demonstration now. I'll show you how the tool works in action, setting up a master password, adding new passwords, and viewing stored passwords. So let's move on to the code space now. I've already set up my code space. So let's move into the final project folder, as you can see here. Let's move into it. Okay, so as you can see, no key file has yet been generated now. You can see the main project.py file and the readme file and requirements, and also the test project.py. No key file has been generated yet. So let's run the program now. As you can see, you are asked to set up your master password the first time you run this program. Let's say CS50P. And from here, you will be asked to enter this master password each and every time you run the program. So you have to enter it correctly. Let's do that. So this is the main function of this project. As you can see, you can add, view, and quit the program, which is the main menu of this program, as you can say. So let's try and view the existing passwords. As you can see, there is no password.txt file created yet. So there are no passwords now. So you are already given the message that no file has been created to store the info yet, as we have not yet added any password. Let's do that. Let's say the account name as CS50P. You can add anything. You can add your email address as well. Let's not generate a random password now. I'll do that later. Let's say the password to be CS50P at harvard.edu. As you can see, it is already done, and a new password.txt file is created. But the feature of this project is you can neither see the key master key or the password.txt file if you open them directly. you can see that you can only see the date and time followed by the account name, but the password is encrypted. Let's view the password now. As you can see, you are greeted with this table which shows all the details of the password you have get saved. So in the saved on column, you can see the date and time. In the account name, you can see the respective account name and the password which you have stored. So let's now generate a random password. So let's say CS50. Yes, I want to create a random password. So you are asked to enter the length of the password. You can add any amount of digits you want. If you add anything else, you are given this error. So you should add a valid integer. Let's say 10. Do you want to include numbers? Yes. Let's also add special characters, and it is done. So let's see. As you can see, you are not able to view the passwords from the passwords.txt file directly. You will have to use this command line interface to view the passwords. Let's do that. Let's view the passwords now. As you can see, it has generated a random password which includes both letters, numbers as well. This is a 3, and also special characters. We can add one more. Let's see. Let's view the password. Yes, as you can see now, it has completely generated a new password with special characters, numbers, and letters as well. So this was the main aim of this project, as you cannot directly view the passwords, and it will store them in a secure way, and you will only be able to access and view these passwords when you access it through this terminal and enter the master key, which is the right master key, and you won't be able to view directly. Okay, so let's quit this program now. So that was all about the demo. I thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions or want to discuss the project further, feel free to reach out to me. As you can see, the details are on the screen. You can definitely try to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to connect with you. Thanks again for listening, and I look forward to your questions and suggestions. I hope you have a great day ahead, and thank you.